Unlocking the future. Understanding, view to the future. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a thought-provoking phrase, view to the future. This expression is not just about looking ahead. It's about understanding, planning, and anticipating what's to come. Join us as we unravel the depths of this phrase and how you can use it to enhance your English communication. View to the future is a phrase that encapsulates the idea of considering, planning for, or thinking about what is going to happen in the future. It's about having a forward-looking perspective or mindset. This expression suggests not just a passive observation but an active engagement with what lies ahead. It's about preparing, envisioning, and strategizing for future events or conditions. Using view to the future in your conversations or writings can add a layer of depth to your message. Here are a few examples to illustrate its usage. In a business meeting, our strategy provides a view to the future, ensuring we stay ahead of the competition. In personal planning, taking this course offers me a view to the future, equipping me with skills that are vital for tomorrow's job market. In technology discussions, this new invention gives us a view to the future of transportation, promising a cleaner, more efficient way to travel. When you use this phrase, it highlights your forward-thinking attitude and your readiness to tackle upcoming challenges and opportunities. Having a view to the future is crucial in today's rapidly changing world. It encourages proactivity and adaptability, qualities that are indispensable in both personal and professional growth. By adopting this mindset, you anticipate changes before they happen, allowing for better preparation. Innovate and adapt, keeping you competitive and relevant. Plan and set goals with a clear vision of where you want to be, making your dreams and aspirations more attainable. Embracing a view to the future means you're not just reacting to the world as it changes, you're actively shaping your path within it. Thank you for joining us as we explored the phrase, view to the future. We hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also inspired you to think about how you can apply a future-oriented mindset in your life. Remember, having a view to the future is about more than just looking ahead. It's about preparing, planning, and positioning yourself to thrive in the days to come. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.